Hey guys, I've got a good challenge for you. So who's going to go through the intersection first? In what order will the vehicles pass the intersection in the traffic situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. Bus, truck, car. 2. Car, bus, truck. 3. Truck, car, bus. 4. Bus, car, truck. 5. Truck, bus, passenger car. 6. Car, truck, bus. At the intersection, a passenger car driver drives straight through, while truck and bus drivers turn left. The intersection is equipped with traffic lights, but they are now flashing yellow. We read the traffic rules. Traffic signals other than flashing yellow shall take precedence over traffic priority signs. When the flashing yellow signal is lit, it means that the traffic light is defective, and if there are priority signs, the further separation will take place exactly according to them. The signs at the intersection are give way, main road, and direction of the main road. According to the signs, the bus and truck drivers are on the main roads, and the passenger car driver is on the secondary road, so he will be the last to leave the intersection. The bus and truck drivers are traveling on equivalent major roads. Therefore, they will separate according to the traffic regulation clause. At the intersection of equal signing roads, the driver of a non-rail vehicle is obliged to give way to vehicles approaching from the right, except at intersections where traffic circles are organized. The bus driver is approaching the truck from the right side, so he will pass the intersection first. Therefore, the correct order of separation will be as follows: bus, truck, car. So the correct answer is number 1.